did with genius? Oh my goodness.
What?
I'm a genius. I cracked the code.
What, you just switched?
Look at how it's all lined up.
Yeah, you just switch them.
I swapped the player cams.
Yeah.
Alright, alright. Now that we have found peace in the world.
Well, they don't see the overlay, but we do. There you go.
Okay, so Sunny, I have heard him talk about how can is, I believe, a frame 1 option that can get you out of combos because of that, just like Snake's grenade, right?
Oh, he's
Ooh,
dead.
and he gets the double spike. Okay. I don't think he needed the triple, but he did it. That was beautiful.
Damn, dude. After that, I'd be like, yo, GG.
Yeah, that's a handshake. Okay, so anyways, what I was talking about is, I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna have time to talk this match, but
Holy moly.
Definitely keeping up the pressure.
yeah, he is. But Sunny likes to keep cans out to be prepared for setups when he could save it to get out of combos, and that's just a playstyle type of thing, which is, I guess, something to know about.
Kick that can away.
Okay, so Sunny's keeping up pressure here.
Wow,
I think he's being forced to kind of be aggressive in the same way.
Was that work instead of edge guarding just to kick the can over? Nah, not in my book.
That's Sunny loves his setups,
Where did the can come?
and I respect it. Oh, this is quite
Where's the
control.
fair? Ain't no fair. That was not fair.
So I think Captain Falcon's probably a weight that makes it very
Yep.
easy to combo. So Sunny's setup should be pretty effective here if you can get him rolling.
You have to watch him staying in the center because if he gets off the edge, we're just more of that control of Tiny.
Yeah, Tiny is keeping up pressure from
What
there.
the heck?
That was weird.
Would that would have caught? Yeah.
No, I went to go like, oh, 1-1. Like, okay, so I hit it.
Oh my goodness, Sunny gets followed for
got
power.
such control over that can.
Gets the tech very nice. Ooh, doesn't quite make the ledge though, and the can is gonna betray him. Let's see if Sunny can make a bit of an adaptation here. Ooh. Misses forward just a little bit, but we'll give it to him anyways to do that.
It's saucy, bro. I knew it was like 2 miles, like, dude.
Man, Sunny definitely understands the way the can moves, and I don't. So. Ooh.
Oh, he missed the jab block.
Yeah, Sunny's just going fast. It's very fun to watch. Keeping up the pressure. No bias, no bias. Oh,
Dang
okay, time to kill. Off a straight can.
Oh, there's the nod. There's the nod. Oh,
That's fun. And now Sunny has to win.
This thing did not keep that. Well, that's a Skittle shield.
Oh, reading the jump. He almost gets the Nair 1 follow-up.
So scary.
Hey, he ran that out.
Sunny's doing a good job of playing around the space that he has on the stage here, though. He's only got so much running lane to do. He's gonna have to find a way to get some hits in there.
Oh, that's so bad.
He's able to punish the up B. This one up there. Gets the back throw.
Okay, we back.
And that's what I was talking about. He loves having the can out for those setups.
Get up.
That's beautiful to
Oh,
see.
he's dead.
Reset jump with the up B, but
Good DI, good DI.
it's the opposite side of the stage. So
Uh-oh.
okay for now.
Falcon's a good.
Yeah, he's even it up to the point here where
Still got hit with it.
He brought it back. He's dead. Oh, he missed it.
He still got it.
the
Oh, he living.
the gunman actually got him there.
Oh my God. Oh my.
Well, a very close first game. This means that Sunny now has a stage counter pick.
Not Sunny.
Well, Sunny has the stage counter pick, but Tiny did win the game because I was messing up the score. Anyways, that's how I usually do. So even if he wins this next game, though, he's gonna have to deal with Tiny's counter pick. And Northern Cave, wouldn't you know, the only stage counter pick we've seen today. Northern Cave. Must be a good stage.
I mean, I'm not saying.
But anyways,
No, I like.
looks like it's gonna be the same characters.
I'm like, bro.
I think Sunny's gonna take it because he definitely seemed to get his footing a little bit more farther in the back.
I agree. he got killed. He got triple stomped at the beginning of that game, right? And it was still last hit. So if he can avoid taking combos like that early, I think he does edge out by the end of the match. Oh, and it almost happens to him again, but he finds. Well, he's speechless when a setup starts.
Yeah, no kidding.
They're too cool. I have to watch.
What was the joke?
Can setups. There's something really satisfying about duck hunts out there. Can't quite place it, but.
Oh no, it was in 5. It was in 5. Yeah.
So I wonder, I wonder what Sunny's thinking between. He obviously has a frisbee, the can, and that gunner man, right? So I wonder how he decides what he's gonna use in what.
It's so reversed, and I'm like, okay.
Because I honestly don't know. Tiny.
You could also combo down throws into accuracy.
Yeah, or like that. Yeah.
Yeah. So like frisbee there he chose, and he got the combo out of it.
I just think
So maybe he just tries to keep it, mix it up a little bit, keep it interesting. Which is probably a good idea. Tiny, on the other hand, not that he's not mixing things up, as we see a side B there and stuff, but that last stock he took just threw out like 5 back airs, and one of them was bound to hit, and it did. And sometimes that's what you gotta do, you know? And it looks like Sunny is playing a zoning game, even though he's behind right now. Which is what, you know, you have to do against Falcon. Falcon doesn't have projectiles, so obviously it's a good idea to use that advantage.
they're more square than rectangle. But
Oh, and he gets flipped. So he's at a 2-stock deficit here, and Sunny is the type of player, he can, when he's not feeling it, you can see here, he's playing a little different now, which could be seen as a bait, could be seen as demoralization, who knows? Or does he get the cam set up? Fortunately, no. And the thing with that is it's not just Sunny's missing his cam setups, it's also that Captain Falcon can DI. And I think a lot of times the opponent DI can just mess up your cam follow-up, which is really unfortunate. But, something I think we see happening here is Sunny playing weird caused Tiny to start playing kind of weird. You saw 3 Captain Falcon hits, which is just an odd decision. So that's pretty funny to me. Okay, so here's the thing. Duck Hunt has a spike, and Captain Falcon doesn't have the best recovery. So if I had to
Duck
predict,
Hunt's spike is kind of hard to hit too.
it's true. But if there's any way he can bring this back here quickly, I think that's
That's the way to go.
yeah.
He's also very afraid of him off stage, so that he's
Getting the reversal.
He's very
Very, yeah. Ooh, why did...
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So the other option, aside from spikes, was just finding your spacing, right?
Oh, wow.
So Sunny had the can set up there in case he missed the snatch attack, set up so that he could pop the can back and protect him.
Oh, he missed it.
Ooh, it's not punished for the directional air dodge.
Yeah.
And now we see Sunny setting up this wall.
Uh-oh.
Oh, but he goes for a read. He knows he kind of has to make something happen here in order to...
Nice. That was really good by...
Oh, but and he gets the can.
Oh!
And that fair follow-up. Always ready.
Fire.
That's what I love about Sunny. He's always ready.
Fire, bro. That was really good.
He's gonna have to deal with being at such a high percentage of the last stop.
It's true. He's got a deficit to make up.
Let's be real, it ain't gonna happen, but...
Well,
Oh my
I
god,
mean,
you know what?
yeah, the
Take
deficit,
that
Pull
back.
out some stuff.
the deficit has already
this
been
is
overcome.
why I say stuff like that.
It's
so
not
it,
fair,
so
fair.
I'm wrong.
Which we love to see. See, this is a close game. How
big.
excited.
Oh,
Oh,
he
he
did not
it's hard to DI that there, so.
GG, don't do Sonny brought that back. He got like 45% in that one little grab, little can up air
Yeah.
thing. It was good.
That was insane.